Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Vodra token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Vodra is a decentralized advertising platform designed to support live stream creators and brands across social media platform, integrating the directly with broadcast software. Vodra enables live stream to monetize their content by disabling ads seamlessly within their streams. Payments are processed instantly using cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins, offering creators greater financial autonomy. The platform's agnostic approach ensures creators can stream on their preferred platforms on even multi-stream without restrictions. This flexibility addresses a significant gap in the market as unpartnered or non-affiliated creators account for 40 to 65% of active channel on platforms. Vodra project institution rating is 3.4. Vodra token total supply is 2 billion and circulating supply is around 143.14 million VDR token. VDR token is listed on gate.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.